Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Vlog Every Day in April, day 14. Today is going to be a quick behind the scenes. If you watch my videos, maybe you wonder what my studio looks like, or how it's set up, or how I record my videos when I'm standing, sitting, etc. So I'll just go through some of the simple gear that I have and what I use. So here we go. Most of the time when I'm recording, I'm using my Sony a7 III. I do my standing vlogs with my tripod and my Sony a7 III for the most part. Sometimes when I do standing, I'll use my Sony ZV-E10. I don't use it often. Usually I use this when I'm in handheld, but since I'm showing it, right now I'm using my iPhone for handheld. And I mostly use my Rode VideoMic Pro when I'm doing my standing vlogs. And if I'm doing handhelds, I'll use my Rode Video Micro with like these cameras. But right now with my iPhone, I'm using the Rode that's specific for iPhones. And sometimes when I'm doing handheld, I'll use this Joby tripod right here. It's a little bigger, so I could use this with the a7 III. But if I'm just using my ZV-E10, I'll use this tripod that you can't see. It's a smaller one, and it works perfect for these little cameras and phones. And here's the tripod that I use right here. This is a really nice Manfrotto. Love this tripod, but I'll have my a7 III on here, and it's usually a little bit higher to coincide with my ring light. And since the a7 III does not have a screen that flips out, I need the monitor. Always need a monitor. The ZV-E10 has a flip out screen, so I could do easy vlogs with that one. But like I said, when I use my a7 III, I need the monitor. And then when I'm just doing my easy vlogs sitting down, this is my setup right here. Basically my two monitors. I have my M1 Mac Mini. I always use OBS when I'm recording sitting down, and when I live stream I use OBS. And I simply edit in iMovie, and I have a tutorial that I could link. But yeah, I don't pay for like Final Cut or anything. All my editing is done in iMovie, and I use this Logitech webcam right here. And then I have my two little lights, 1, 2, and my mic. Nice little setup. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done right here. Let me try to move back a little. Got my chair. And then my little, cart full of stuff. It's got my Echo device, some headphones, all my cables are in there, my bag, etc., etc. And that's the setup that I use for all my vlogs, whether it's handheld like I'm doing now, or if I'm sitting down doing a vlog in OBS and editing in iMovie. So it's nothing fancy. It took me some time to get all this gear, but if you have an iPhone, a mic, a small little tripod, OBS is free, iMovie is free, and you could get yourself right going. The only thing you'd probably have to pay for that you don't have right now is probably a tripod, like the big one that I have. So I hope this shed a little light on what I use, and maybe if you're watching and you're a beginner, you breathe a sigh of relief to know that you don't have to pay lots of money to get started. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you liked the video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video, which should be Vlog Every Day in April, day 15. Peace, guys.